back at it. Hello, hello, hello. If you've never seen me before, I'm Coin Ring Maker from coinringmaker.com. I make coins into rings. And today here on TikTok, I have 50% off everything. So if you'd like to check that out, you can tap the little shopping cart at the bottom of the screen. If you have any questions, feel free to put them in the chat. Currently working on a 90% silver California quarter. This one's going to be a size 11. But yeah, check out the shop, 50% off everything on my TikTok shop. Tap the shopping cart down here, and then tap my username, and it'll pull up all of them. Have you sat on that thing thinking about buying one? I have not, but I tell you what, it's not something you want to bump into. It's pretty rough. But if there's something you need stretching out, it's pretty good at that. Again, 50% off everything on my TikTok shop. Tap the little shopping cart. Read the nice reviews. Check it out. Got these state quarter coin rings in all 50 states. If you need a half or quarter size, just leave a note when you place your order. And if you have any questions, please put them in the chat. All right. Got all 4 of these stretched out. I'm back. But they're all kind of cone shaped. You can see they're a little wider on the reeded edge. They're slippery too than they are on the cut edge. So we're going to go ahead and reduce all these down a little bit, help fix the shape and get closer to our target size. If you're enjoying the live, tap the screen. If you have any questions, let me know. Thanks for watching. This one's a size 8. There we go. Nice looking band. Now we'll do the size 9. See if we can get a little closer for you guys. Again, 50% off everything on my TikTok shop. You can find it by going to my profile. I've got keychains, I've got rings, I've got necklaces, all kinds of cool coin jewelry. Half off today. Go take a look if you're curious. If you have any questions, let me know. This one's the size 10. Busy day today. Very nice. And then we got a size 11. This is a really nice order. It was cool to make 4 different size rings of the same state. You got a good deal too, half off every one. 4 rings for the price of 2. Not bad. Very nice. So now we've got our lovely set of silver California rings. The next step is to remove this inside lip right here from all of them. So that's what we're gonna do. Let's go. Again, if anybody wants one of these, tap the little shopping cart. They are 50% off for the next 24 hours. Copper and silver versions. How do I clean them? What works best for me is these polishing cloths. I get these at Walmart. It comes with a whole bunch of them, like 30. And whenever they start to oxidize a little bit, I just rub that cloth on there. It takes about 30 seconds and they're looking brand new again. Really, really effective. So if you want to take a screenshot of these, you can get them on Amazon. You can get them at Walmart. Really, really good jewelry wipes. I need more practice pouring. I think I might have like jumped the shark and tried to do too much too fast. I need to go to like smaller pours and kind of hone my skills with that. I'm trying to pour stuff that's like 1 ounce, and it's a little difficult. So yeah, I need some more practice for sure. And some more map gas. It's fun though. Like, I really like doing it, but it is difficult to get it to go right every time. You gotta move fast. If anybody else has any questions, feel free to put them in the chat. If you just joined in, I'm making coins into rings, and everything on my TikTok shop is 50% off. So if you'd like a coin ring or a coin keychain or a coin necklace, tap my profile icon, check out my TikTok shop. Everything's 50% off for the next 24 hours. Get that one nice and cleaned up. Let's do the other 3. Let's go. Yeah, I tried to do everything by hand. I do understand that a lathe would be helpful, and I have considered it in the past, but something about working on these with my hands, it just seems more fulfilling. What do I do with the shavings? I'm practicing melting this down into like coin molds and other types of molds. I still have more practice, but I am attempting to melt down the scraps to make cool stuff out of it. Don't get me wrong, lathes look fucking cool. I want a lathe. Instead I have a 3D printer, so that's a good compromise, I think. Because the printer can definitely do stuff I can't with my hands. Whereas the lathe, still pretty cool though. I could cut channels into my rings and fill them with stuff. I could make spinners. I've definitely thought about a lathe, I'm not gonna lie. It's really mostly like a space issue. Like, I don't know where I would put it. Just started making coin rings, bought the dies and the self-centering punch. Heck yeah, Pistol Pete. If you run into any issues, feel free to reach out. Leave a comment in any of my videos. I'm happy to help you along the way, man. I know it's not the easiest thing to do, so if you need any help, let me know. I've been at this for 5 years, so I've made every mistake I can. I'm happy to help you avoid them. I don't have any spinner rings. I was saying if I had a lathe, I could make them. I don't have that tool. But I do make a lot of different types of coin rings, and you can find those by tapping the shopping cart down here. Every one of them on my TikTok shop is 50% off for the next 24 hours, so check it out. Yeah, the self-centering auto punch is definitely a good investment. Super handy tool. You seem like you're badass at your craft, my man. Congrats. Thank you very much, Colin. I've had a lot of practice, and I enjoy doing it, so it's a win-win for me. And I get to make jewelry live on TikTok for all you wonderful people. Can't beat that. So thanks for watching. Wouldn't be any fun without you guys. Well, it'd be a little fun. I do like making coin rings. I probably have fun, but it's more fun with you guys. Again, if you haven't yet, tap the little shopping cart at the bottom of the screen. Everything on my TikTok shop is 50% off for the next 24 hours, so take advantage while you can. And if you have any questions, let me know. All right, we got all 4 cleaned up. Let's go. Very nice. Now we're going to double check the size on all these since we removed that inside edge. Start with the 8. It's a little too big. Let's go fix that up right quick. Perfect. Size 9. Just a hair off. Again, if anybody has any questions, please put them in the chat. If you haven't checked out the sale yet, 15% or 50, it's half off everything on my TikTok shop today. Size 9, we got it. Size 10, already perfect. And the size 11, perfect as well. Heck yeah. That's pretty good. I might be getting good at this, guys. Might be getting a little good at this. Pull that in a little bit. There we go. Very nice. And this will get a solid polish before I send it out. But I typically don't polish on the live because it's a little boring. So we'll just knock the fire scale off the rest of these, and then we'll get started on the next order. Tap the shopping cart, see if there's anything down there that suits you. Everything on my TikTok shop is 50% off today, so go take a look. If you have any questions, please let me know. Very nice. Alright, it looks like I'm going to have to hop off live and charge my phone for a little bit. If you haven't yet hit the follow button, I should be back relatively soon. Thanks for spending a little time with me, and I hope the rest of your day is freaking awesome. I'll catch you guys in a little bit. Get a final glamour shot of all 4 of these beauties side by side. Very nice. Awesome. All right, guys, we'll catch you in a little bit. Have a good night. Peace.